sequence. Sequence is an ordered list of numbers. Numbers in this order are called terms. Series. The value when all the terms of a sequence are added. This value is called sum. Example of sequence: 1, 3, 5, and 3 dots. 3 dot is called ellipsis. Ellipsis is written after the last term. It represents an infinite sequence or infinite series. There are so many types of sequence and series in mathematics, but we only consider two common types of sequence and series, which are the nth term of a sequence is written as Tn. The sum of the first n term is written as Sn. Sequence and series are divided into two, which is arithmetic and geometric.
Arithmetic sequence is a sequence where consecutive terms are calculated by adding a constant value, positive or negative, to the previous term. We call this constant value the common difference t. Therefore, the general formula for the nth term of an arithmetic sequence is Tn equal to e plus n minus 1t. To find d, we use t equal to Tn plus 1 minus Tn. To find the sum of the first n terms of an arithmetic sequence, we use Sn equal to n divided by 2 multiplied by 2e plus n minus 1t.
Next is a geometric sequences. So what is the definition of a geometric sequences? Geometric sequence is a sequence number such that each term is obtained by multiplying the preceding term by a constant, which is a common ratio. Here is the example of a geometric sequence. As we can see, each term is multiplied by 2, so the common ratio for this geometric sequence is 2. Now we have the formula to find the common ratio and the nth term for geometric sequence. Next is the sum of the first n term, Sn. So here is the formula for Sn of geometric sequences.
Hi, I am Afrina. So today I'm going to show the usage of arithmetic in your daily life as shown in the questions below. First, this question remains to arithmetic sequences. The question is, if a man gets a job with a salary of 30,000 K a year, he is promised Rm 23,000 raise each subsequent year. So the question is, find his total earnings for the next 10 years period. So the first thing you have to do is you have to write down all the information given. So the first information given is 30,000 as the first term. The second information is 23,000 as the common difference for the next 10 years. The sum of the first n terms is Sn will be S10 is given by the formula. So you have to substitute all the information given into the formula. And you will get the answer as 403,500. So in conclusion, his total earnings for 10 years period is 403,500.
Next, the question for geometric sequences is, the price of the tin of milk powder increased by 3% at the end of each year. If the current price of a tin milk powder is 38 ringgit, find the price of a tin of milk powder after 5 years. The solution is, firstly, you need to write down all the information given. 38 as the first term, which is A, and our common ratio, R, is 103% as it said the milk powder increased 3%. Since we are not dealing with the percent when we solve this algebraically, we will convert it into decimals. 103% is also equal to 1.03%. Then, we need to substitute into the formula. The formula that we use is term of n equal AR to the power of n minus 1. What will happen is term 6 equal to 13/8 times 1.03 to the power of 6 minus 1. We will get 144.05 as the answer. In conclusion, the price of the tin of a milk powder after 5 years is 44 ringgit 0.05 cents.